In this chart we solve this problem. Here problem is express 3 plus root 5 3 minus I root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus root 2I in the form of a plus ib. Here given problem is 3 plus I root 5 3 minus I root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus root 2I. Numerator is in the form of a plus ib into a minus ib is one of the formula. A plus ib into a minus ib is equals to formula is a square plus b square. Apply this formula to the numerator. 3 square plus root 5 whole square divided by root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 plus root 2I. Here root 3 cancel. Numerator 3 square means 9. Square root cancel. 9 plus 5 divided by root 2I 2 root 2I. That is equals to 14 divided by 2 root 2I. 2 ones 2 7. 7 divided by root 2I. We want a plus ib formation. So multiply numerator and denominator with root 2I. Then we get 7 root 2I divided by root 2 I into I square. 7 root 2I divided by 2 I square value is minus 1. 7 root 2I divided by 2. Here only imaginary part is there. There is no real part. So 0 plus I into 7 root 2 divided by 2. Here minus is there. This is in the form of a plus ib. We include 0. Why we include 0 means here only imaginary part is there. Only imaginary part. No real part.